Hey guys, today we're comparing two rising stars in the home server space, ZimaOS and HexOS. Which one's the better cloud operating system in 2025? Let's find out. Make sure to stick around till the end so you don't miss any key differences. Let's start with ZimaOS. ZimaOS is built for simplicity and ease of use. It's perfect for beginners who want to set up a home server or a personal cloud, without diving deep into complex configurations. Its clean UI and plug-and-play experience make it a great option for users who want things to just work. Now on to HexOS. HexOS takes things up a notch. It's more advanced, offering greater flexibility and customization for those who are comfortable managing a more hands-on system. It shines in multi-user environments, automation and deeper control over system processes. So what's the verdict? If you're a beginner or want a smooth no-fuss experience, ZimaOS is the better pick. But if you're looking for powerful customization and don't mind the extra setup, HexOS might be the way to go. That's all.